Hey, it's Robert here from EmpoweredLife.tv. Hope you're having a smashing day wherever you are in the world. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 foolproof ways to manifest wealth fast. Why? Because so many people out there want to know how to use the law of attraction to get their money situation handled. So that being the case, I really think it's about time that I address this. So if you've got a pen and a piece of paper handy, I'm going to go through the 10 things that you need to do in the order you need to do them, and take the notes and then take the action and watch the change show up. Now, quickly, part of everything that I'm going to talk to you about today, the base of it all really is reconnecting with who you are on the inside, reinforcing that link between the conscious, logical level of thought and your subconscious mind. And one of the main things to do that is to master meditation. Now, if you struggle with meditation, right below this video, you're going to see a link to get my free hypnosis meditation audio. Go get that now or at the end of the video. Don't miss out on that. It will help you, especially if you struggle with meditation, to get into a meditative state and to start accelerating your results. So go get it. All right, with all of that out of the way, let's start with number 1. Set clear intentions. Define exactly how much wealth you want to manifest and why. Write down your goals with clarity and specificity. Makes sense, right? You need to know where you are. Get clear on where you are right now, where you want to be, and what the gap is. And then you can start to devise goals that represent the milestones or the steps along the way to where you want to be. And then you can take action. But the key here is to get clear. Most of us don't know where we are, don't know where we want to go, but can normally say what we don't want or where we don't want to be. You need to get as clear right now about where you want to be as you do about where you don't want to be. So take some time to set clear intentions. And as everything I'm going to mention today, I want you to set those intentions as if you already have them. Intend them, but state them as if you already have them. Okay, more later. Number 2, visualize success. Spend time each day visualizing yourself already achieving your financial goals. Imagine the feelings of abundance and success that come with it. So once again, visualization, so important. Pictures conjure up more emotion. Emotion is like the catalyst when it comes to manifestation. The more emotions you can stir up, the more powerful your manifestation powers will become. It's as simple as that. So you should be visualizing daily. And the more you do that, the clearer the pictures become, the stronger the emotions become, and the more you increase your power to manifest. Number 3, take inspired action. Take purposeful steps towards your goals. This might involve seeking new opportunities, investing wisely, or developing new skills. Take inspired action, inspired in spirit. This involves coming to a place where you trust your gut instinct. You trust that nudge from within, that little feeling of intuition creeping through about something. You see, most of us, because we don't strengthen the bridge between our conscious and subconscious minds, we don't trust that nudge. We would rather trust what comes up in our logical thought processes, which is exactly where we've created all the challenges and problems that we're facing currently. So, makes sense to bypass that altogether and use your 95% of your being, which is your subconscious, to come up with the solutions and answers you're looking for. And once you do that, the more work you invest in actually strengthening that bond, the more you will trust it, the more you will develop faith, and then you will start to trust the gut instinct, the intuitive nudge from within. And you are seldom, if ever, wrong when you trust this. Number 4, practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude opens the door for more abundance to flow into your life. It's all about vibration. The more grateful you are for what you have, the higher your vibration, the better quality of the vibration you're putting out into the universe. And like attracts like. So similar vibrations will be attracted to that and come towards you also. The other side of that, unfortunately, is that it works the other way. If you're going to spend each and every day focusing on everything that you don't like and the way it isn't the way you want it to be, then you're going to attract more lack, more fear, more frustration to go along with that, to reinforce your belief about how it is. Does that make sense? So it's so important for you to start to learn to be grateful for what you currently have. Sure, it may not be where you want to end up. It may not be what you want, but it's what you have. And what you have is probably an awful lot more than a lot of people on the face of the planet. So be grateful for what you have. It'll make a difference to how you resonate into the universe, and it'll make a massive difference to what comes back. 5, affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth and success. Repeat affirmations daily to reinforce your beliefs in your ability to manifest wealth. Affirmations, visualizations, they all go together. And meditation, they all go together. But here's the thing, your subconscious mind can only listen to one predominant thought at a time. So if you're focusing on visualizing what you want as if you already have it, if you focus on affirmations, affirming that which you want to show up in your life, but affirming it as it is already there, then your subconscious mind will be listening to this. It will take it as the truth. It will go out into your 3D physical reality to seek more evidence to support that as being the truth. Now, here's the thing. That compounds your belief. That compounds it, that reinforces it. And sooner or later, normally between 30 to 90 days, it becomes a part of who you now are. Your default setting, if you like. That's how you change your life, by the way. Number 6, surround yourself with abundance. Spend time with people who have a positive mindset towards wealth and success. Their energy and mindset can be contagious. Contrarily, obviously, if you hang around with negative people, that's going to bring you down. That's going to sabotage you, put the brakes on your life. If you hang around other people who have a kind of glass half full mentality, upwardly mobile, happy, positive, inspired, passionate, it rubs off. It's a higher level of energy and it will take you with it. And that takes you to a place where you'll grow in and you become more. You become more, you can do more. You do more, you can have more. Not only for yourself, but to share with others. Number 8, remove limiting beliefs. Identify and release any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be holding you back from manifesting wealth. Replace them with empowering beliefs. We're going right the way back here to clarity. Get clear on what's holding you back. And then create affirmations that you can overwrite them with. So let's say that you've got a negative thought that keeps coming up for you. That's accompanied with a visualization, a picture of an image of what that is. And then you're attaching negative emotions and you're feeling bad and all that sort of stuff. Here's the thing. It may be a challenge for you at first. But remember, your subconscious mind can only listen to your predominant thought, right? So when that happens, if you're clear on it and you're looking for it and you recognize it when it shows up, start to affirm what you want right over the top of it with passion, out loud if you can, but certainly reinforce it with passion internally. Focus on it. And then the other voice, the other thought, the other pictures will go away. Now, if you keep doing that effectively, when that negative thought comes into your head in the future, it will trigger you to immediately start focusing on the other thing that you've been affirming, because it's now become a part of your belief system. It's that easy, really, or that simple, I should say. It's not easy. And it's not easy because you need to commit to this. It takes time. You don't undo a lifetime's bad habits in 5 minutes. But you need to be committed because you're worth it. Number 9, take care of yourself. Invest in your physical, mental and emotional well-being. When you feel good, you're more likely to attract positive experiences, including financial abundance. You're here watching this video, and if you're still here at this point in the video, I think you've got that handled. I think you recognise the importance, and kudos to you for that. Number 10, stay persistent and patient. Manifesting wealth is a process that requires persistence and patience. Stay committed to your goals, trust the process and believe that abundance is on its way to you. Remember, while these steps can help you manifest wealth faster, it's essential to approach the journey with a balanced mindset and to remain open to unexpected opportunities and experiences along the way. Here's the thing, just in time every time. That's the way the universe works. Things show up just in time for you every single time. But sometimes you might miss it. And that might be because you've got some preconceived notion of how opportunity should show up looking. And trust me, opportunity shows up in your life every day. The thing is, it probably passes you by because you don't recognise it. Why? Because it hasn't shown up looking exactly the way you think it should. So be open-minded. Realise that you don't control the time it takes. That's the job of the universal. But just be prepared to receive it when it comes along and be open-minded to how it shows up. Because it has come from a higher level of intelligence than that which you use on the conscious level thought. Okay, level of thought, I should say. So what you need to do is trust it. Absolutely trust it. Every time it will come just in time. But be open to the fact it may not show up exactly the way you thought it should. But trust me, it will show up in exactly the perfect way for you. Okay, I'm about to close out. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the link below for your hypnosis audio meditation. Okay, it'll really, really help you moving forward. And of course, if you did enjoy the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified every time I do one. And if you love all things personal development and spiritual alignment, please get across to empoweredlife.tv, empoweredlife.tv. Join the family there. Until next time, namaste.